TN News.
What will you do with the people?
Okay, shifting focus to education matters. Now, even as Education Cabinet Secretary Julius Migos Ogamba vows to clean up Moi University and restore the institution to its past glory, the Eldoret-based university has since August 2024 seen crushed hopes and horror of dreams that never saw light of day.
Our reporter Elvis Kusgei sums up the sad tale of Kenya's second oldest university through the eyes of those who know it best.
For the union makes us strong.
The institution, located on the outskirts of Eldoret City, was named in honor of Kenya's second president, Daniel Toroitich Arap Moi, a gigantic name in the country's political history. Workers on Saturday signed return to work formula, but the move is yet to arrest the troubles that have bedeviled Moi University for nearly 8 years.
In the reign of the current management and the council, we've seen major changes taking place in Moi University. Moi University is the only university where majority of the members who make key decisions in the institution are acting. We don't have substantive officers running the institution. And we've come to conclude that it is by design that things have been made to move that way. And especially, there are those critical areas of an institution which have been messed up intentionally.
Our feeling that he had not developed the acumen, the ability to manage an institution the size of Moi University. And so it's unfortunate that he was taken from an institution which probably had about 2,000 students, and he's thrown to manage an institution which has 40,000 students. I think the mismatch is obvious there, that Professor Isaac Sanga, the struggle that he has had to put up is because these issues were well beyond his ability to manage.
With debts of over 8.6 billion, coupled with frosty relationship between the management and staff, Moi University is a pale shadow of its former self.
The decision-making organs of Moi University are faulty. Those key officers are wanting. When we go to the Senate is the major decision-making body for all the academic programs of a university. Heads of departments are acting. Why are they acting? Those who are qualified have been bogged off, and now they have been left with those who don't qualify to sit in those offices. That is why it has been triggered that way, such that the ideas of only one fellow goes through the Senate, and the Senate's work is just to rubber stamp.
Students and neighboring community in Keses in the county of Uasin Gishu are also not in good terms with an institution they cherished.
Tangu join sijatenda any class. Tulisikia mgomo ilisha, but bado hajaona kama ilisha. Classes attended ni zero.
So unapata tumeumia. Unapata sasa hata rent tunalipa pesa mingi sana per month. Chakula unaona, unajua ukikuwa idle unakula kila time. Yeah, so tunasumbuka. Na transfer nao ni shida. Yeah, ingekuwa ni option, ingekuwa ni rahisi. In fact tungeenda hata wote. Yeah, tumeteseka sana.
Sina marks ya first year, ya second year, third year because our lecturers are discouraged. Hata wezi tuwekea marks kwa portal. So mimi kitu tu ningeomba, ilikuwa inafaa nimalize shule next year mwezi wa 4. But now because when the situation iko utapata namaliza August and then graduate December. Na sijui pia kama nitagraduate.
According to Busolo Wekesa, the university's academic staff union chapter secretary, a 3-month strike was triggered by unresolved issues. Among them, unremitted pension for the last 7 years, outstanding collective bargaining arrears for 2017 to 2021, and unremitted loans. But the reign started beating Moi University nearly a decade ago. Even Professor Laban Ayiro, the current Vice-Chancellor of Daystar University, struggled when he was the acting VC.
Has never headed a department. He was never a dean. He was a director for quality assurance for, I think, a short period of time. And somehow, I think the issue of Moi University was difficult for people to handle, but Ayiro is a brave man, and that was why he was appointed. So Professor Airo, for the record, did not qualify to be a Vice Chancellor of Moi University. It is also our considered opinion that Professor Isaac Sanga was rated a little too highly.
Moi University students have said being a learner at the institution is the most devastating thing in life.
Tusikilie hii kilio kabisa, so that everything to move on well na tuendelee kuishi vizuri. So because most of us are youths, hatuna kazi. So unajipata it is better ukuje ukue mama mboga ukue self-employed. And so because you are self-employed wasijaribu kutufungia Moi.
Na biashara tupate pesa. Wazazi wafurahi. Wanafunzi wanakupa hapa kila siku, wengine waliingia kwa maji juzi hapo kwa sababu ya stress. Watoto wanakuwa idle. Wanabuta bangi, wanaumizana.
Hata loans zenye tuko nayo tumeshindwa kulipa kwa sababu biashara imeenda chini sana. Sasa serikali sijui mtatuokoa aje. Muokoe university, muokoe wanafunzi pia, na si pia wanabiashara tutapata kitu yenye tutalipia watoto wetu pia.
Kufika huko hakuna masomo. Pia wanabiashara tumeteseka sana. Sisi ni wazazi, tunategemeanga hapa, lakini mambo imekuwa.
Business in and out of Keses campus have also been affected by the prolonged lecturer strike.
Sisi watu ya potapota tunalia, kila mtu analia, hata matuka tunalia, magari hivyo tunalia. Sasa kila kitu hapa iko chini sana.
Institution kubwa kama hii inaweza kutumika punda kwa kupepa mzigo.
Sasa unaona pia there is no hopes of graduating because we are facing a lot of challenges. Na hiyo ndio shida tunapitia. So tulikuwa tunaomba wanafunzi warudi, story ya missing marks tupatane nayo. Kazi pia iendelee as it was.
Education visited Moi University when they signed a return to work formula with the University Academic Staff Union. The signing of the pact saw to an end to the lecturer strike that has crippled the learning institutions since August 2024.
As a government that will not allow Moi University to go down on account of governance or any other interferences. We have worked with all the leadership from this area, and each and everyone has their hands on deck to ensure that we are back on track, and Moi University is going to be the shining example.
We are expecting to hear from you, Waziri, that action has commenced. Issues of governance, as we are looking at not only Moi University, but all the other issues. But now, since we are here, let's start from here so that things get straight.
Committed to providing quality education and enabling all the students to complete their courses and degree programs without delays. And this afternoon, the CS has requested to meet the medical students to get their side of the story.
It now remains to be seen which way Moi University, and time is of the essence. Elvis Kosgei, KTN, Uasin Gishu County.
Thank you, Elvis Kosgei, for telling that story. And that story leads us to our big Q tonight, where we ask,